Today I'm going to show you how to change out the brake light on a 2014 Hyundai Sonata. So you're going to pop the trunk. You're going to come back here. It's a little panel. Just going to pop this open. What you're going to see is there's two lights here. Basically, this is going to be your brake light. You can get that bulb out. So you just twist counterclockwise. That opens that up. I don't really give you much to work with here. If you move the wire out of here, you can get a little bit more space in here to get that out. You can also remove this light as well. And to replace the brake light, all we're going to do is we're going to push down and twist. So whenever you're handling bulbs, you don't want to touch it with your bare skin. The oils can usually make them burn out a little bit sooner. That's usually mostly with the halogens. So with this, we're going to push down and we're going to turn counterclockwise, and then we can pull this out. So you see there's a little nub at the bottom. And you can see where it goes into the socket. 2357LL. You're going to push down and you're going to turn clockwise, then you're good. So this larger knob is going to have to go towards the bottom. Get that, turn clockwise to get it in there, and then brake light. Once you get it in, turn clockwise, and it's locked in place. Then all you would do is replace the cover. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this that's straightforward and easy to follow, please subscribe.